Showers and thunderstorms rumbled through the area earlier today, and they have all made their way to the east. The atmosphere is really beginning to stabilize, so we're not going to be expecting more thunderstorms, but showers are on the way throughout the overnight as we can see little pockets of rain showers here and even going back towards Wisconsin and northern Minnesota. And we'll see that throughout the overnight, so expect it not to be dry quite yet, but we are seeing a lot of that humidity out there, so things are a little muggy. As we go ahead and take a look at our current conditions, 72 degrees, 75% humidity with a dew point of 64. Once that dew point starts to reach 55 or 60 and above, that's when things really start to get really damp out there. So make sure you do take it easy if you're going to be spending a prolonged period of time outside. West-southwest winds are at 15 miles per hour, but expect those to start to change as we head into the overnight. Current temperatures here for us in Marquette are at 72, just off to the west. There are some pockets of cooler air with the rain and the clouds. 62 into Houghton, 62 also in Ontonagon. A little more clearing as you go farther back towards the west in Ironwood at 72, and more of the middle 70s back here from Florence down to Menominee. And as usual, as we see on our eastern shores, temperatures are cooler here at 60 degrees in Manistee and 64 in Escanaba, while us here in Ishpeming, we are at 60 or 72. Our current winds coming from the southwest at 9 miles per hour, also from the southwest at 10 miles per hour, but already seeing that northwesterly flow that will start to take hold on the region throughout the overnight. So get ready for that cooler and drier air to start to push in by tomorrow and definitely by tomorrow night. And winds are really going to be picking up by tomorrow, as well as we are seeing temperatures in the 60s and the 70s throughout the UP. Farther south in lower Michigan, 85 degrees in Oscoda, while at 83 in Houghton Lake. They are definitely baking down there. Thunderstorms start to head out of the region by tonight, but like I said, do watch out for those showers. Do not put the umbrellas away right now. Cooler temperatures arrive by tomorrow as we'll start to drop off from those upper 70s that we saw today. Back to the upper 60s and lower 70s for afternoon highs, and sunshine returns by Wednesday as we'll see high pressure begin to take control of over the region, and that will kind of last as we head into the weekend. So it does look to be a nice weekend for us, but we'll see just how nice as we look at the 7-day a little bit later. But this area of low pressure will push out of here. Cold front right behind that is starting to drag in that cooler and drier air, but still going to be some rain showers on the backside of the system, but definitely less humid as we get towards tomorrow night. No more of those dew points in the 60s. We'll start to drop those off into the 40s and the lower 50s as we get into tomorrow night. But with all this warmer air that we have been seeing, it does remind us of summer, but summer is still 18 days away. That will start on June the 21st at 6:51 a.m. early in the morning that Saturday. Futurecast is going to show us the showers. They're going to be sticking around for the time being, but here comes the cold front really clear us out by tomorrow evening and by tomorrow night as a drier and a milder air mass starts to take hold. And you can see this disturbance that is just off to our south here for Wednesday that looks to stay off to our south. We're not going to be expecting any of the rain from that, but it could change, so we'll continue to keep you updated on that. Tonight, 53 degrees, thunderstorms early, and then more of those lighter rain showers during the evening. Southwest winds only at 5 to 10 miles per hour, but really will feel the winds by tomorrow between 15 to 25 as they start to come out of the northwest, and we'll see the rain showers throughout the day. Very light rain showers, 63 for a high in Lawrence, 71 in Florence, while seeing more of the upper 60s for us in Marquette and 60s down in Escanaba. Our 7-day forecast, one more day of rain on Tuesday before things clear and dry out for us. Wednesday, more of the 70s are to arrive by later this week, going into Friday and on into the weekend before things cool back off Sunday and Monday.